Before you buy your next semi-truck, ask yourself this. Do you want a time-tested legend under the hood or a modern-day mystery with high-tech muscle? Because when it comes to Detroit Diesel 60 Series versus PACCAR MX-13, there's no shortage of opinions. But what's the truth? Reliability? Power? Cost? Maintenance nightmares? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which engine you want in your rig, and which one might leave you stranded on the side of I-70. Let's settle the score. Buckle up. This ride's about to get real. Act 1. The backstory. Where legends begin. Let's rewind to the golden days of diesel. The Detroit Diesel Series 60, launched in 1987, was a game-changer. It was the first heavy-duty diesel engine with fully integrated electronic controls. Think of it as the granddaddy that still slaps harder than a caffeine-fueled truck stop waitress at 3 a.m. It's simple, rugged, and famously reliable. Mechanics love it. Drivers trust it. Parts are cheap. And best of all, when it breaks, you can actually fix it. Now fast forward to the PACCAR MX-13, introduced to North America in 2010. It's slick, European-designed, integrated with Kenworth and Peterbilt. It's lighter, cleaner, and loaded with tech. But here's the million-dollar question. Is newer always better? Cliffhanger glance. We're just getting started. The showdown. Steel versus silicon. The Series 60, depending on the model, offers up to 515 horsepower and 1,650 pound-feet of torque. It's a beast, especially the later 14L engines. Those things could pull a mountain. But the MX-13 isn't shy either. It cranks out up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. On paper, it's a draw. But here's the twist. The Series 60 delivers power with brute force and simplicity. The MX-13 does it with precision, and sometimes too much precision. Ever tried fixing an MX-13 in the middle of nowhere? It's like performing heart surgery with a butter knife. And speaking of repairs, maintenance and reliability. The Series 60 shines here. It's the go-to engine for owner-operators who actually turn their own wrenches. There's a reason you'll still see them running strong with over 1.5 million miles on the clock. The MX-13? It's quieter, smoother, and more fuel-efficient, but only if you baby it. And good luck finding someone who really knows how to diagnose it when a sensor goes rogue at 2 a.m. Question to reset attention. Quick pop quiz. Which engine do you think has more sensors than your grandma's blood pressure monitor? Yep, it's the MX-13. So if you're driving long haul across unpredictable terrain, or you're running on a tight budget, the Series 60 might just be your best co-pilot. But there's one more angle we haven't covered. The decision. What's it really costing you? Let's talk about what really matters. Total cost of ownership. At first glance, the PACCAR MX-13 looks like a winner. Newer engine, better fuel economy, cleaner emissions. But hidden costs creep in. Proprietary parts, specialized mechanics, software lockouts, and of course, dealer-only repairs. It's like buying a smartphone that won't let you change your own battery. On the flip side, the Series 60 is the people's engine. Open source, if you will. Parts are everywhere. You don't need a PhD in diagnostics to fix it. It's not perfect, but it pays you back in uptime. And here's the kicker. If you're planning to keep your truck for 5+ years, the Series 60 could save you tens of thousands of dollars in the long run. Now let me hit you with a pattern interrupt. Would you rather be hauling freight or waiting 3 days for a dealer to update your ECU software because your depth sensor sneezed? Exactly. The verdict that could save you thousands. If you value simplicity, reliability, and cost control, the Detroit Diesel Series 60 is your old-school workhorse. If you prefer fuel savings, cleaner emissions, and you don't mind dealership visits, the PACCAR MX-13 might suit you better. But here's the real truth. It's not about the badge. It's about the mission. What kind of operator are you? The kind who takes control of your rig, or the kind who lets the dealer control your uptime? Let me know in the comments. Which engine is under your hood, and how's it treating you? And hey, don't click away just yet. In the next video, we're diving deep into Cummins versus Cat engines, with some shocking reliability data most dealers won't tell you. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell so you don't miss it.